Well, hello everybody. We are out here again on another adventure. This one brings us, as you saw by that sign, limited services. We're back in Thunder Bay. I figured fishing was great here. I have a few weeks of holidays. Why not make my way back up to this gentleman, Mr. Kyle again. We're gonna go fish some lakes for the next couple days. Now, as always, the rain follows me. The whole way up here was pouring rain. Now I get here and it's pouring for the next 3-4 days, but that's not going to stop us. We'll make the best of what we can, and hopefully we get at least 1 or 2 days of some sun. But we are going to a lake. I don't have a clue where we're going. It's more remote, more away from people. That's why that sign says limited services.
My tires are going for that. Oh, it's all gravel after that.
Hold on. Slowly, slowly. You're clear. Well, it actually worked pretty good. Talk about a upgrade here. We're living it big out here. Looking at this lake, we came sight unseen. I have a feeling if I did go to maps, I would smash a little pike in 2 seconds. We have big spoon set up. We have the little D, little version of it, and we do have a flimsy rod set up with the maps, and the reason I brought it on that flimsy rod is because I hate using it. I hate casting with it. Don't like touching it, so it'll deter me a bit from using the maps. Alright, that's what the request was to start off with. So hopefully we'll have some fun with this. Where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going, Captain?
Out there.
Out there. That was awesome.
You got on some kind of dots all over?
Yeah, it's, dude, I can't explain it properly, but if you online, it's to do with bird shit and yeah.
Sweet.
And perfect. Good to go. No time to react. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, son of a gun. Wow, I was too far away. Where was he? Right at the boat?
Right, I was almost reeled in. Oh,
Sorry,
right
but
here,
sorry, buddy.
Oh, it's good, man.
Couldn't get here.
Sweet.
All right, I see another weed bed here. Last time this lure worked, so let's try to get close to it again and see if this could work twice. Got him. Look at that. I called it, but I called it late. I was right at the boat. I was right at the boat.
That's the biggest one?
Biggest one so far. Oh, there he goes. Whoops. Freedom.
It's caught. Here we go. Another one.
Same old crankbait, huh? Yeah, always up here, crankbaits. I'm not ready to switch yet. Alright, post sandwich break. And we got one right away. I hate the maps. I love it and hate. It's a love-hate relationship. I just figured after a sandwich. No, I turned it off when it's just a top button. Get rid of him first. Alright, so what happened there was we stopped for a sandwich. And after the sandwich, I said, I'll fix this shitty rod just because it was tangled from before. And then I said, let me cast the maps really quickly just because I just fixed it. And right away, first cast, was a little dink pike. Except my battery on my camera was toast. Lure. Oh, I lost him right there. Reeled him the whole way in and lost him at the boat. Way to go. Yeah, it was small. I didn't even announce it. It was probably my smallest one of the day.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
I'm not even netting that one. Yeah, you did that before I even could get the camera set up. But at the end of the day, you are now live and direct on the Catch Me Outdoors YouTube channel.
Look at this puppy. And we get the little guy. Tiniest one.
You shit.
Oh, something just hit.
Oh, it's back. It's back. That double hit, huh?
Yeah, it let go, I think. Too good to let go. Not moving too much. See how he's hooked? Same thing, eh?
But we're 3/4 of the way across the lake now. I would say maybe an hour out here. The fog and the rain is rolling in. Realistically, this is a very small lake. It's like a pond. But it's infested with little pike, so.
Oh yeah.
Got him?
Just a little guy.
Alright. That's the first weeds we were at today, and we caught a fish right away. So we've done the whole lake. The last 25% got really quiet. Ever since this fog rolled in, the bites kind of disappeared. And then straight up that way through the fog, you probably can't see, that's where we launched. But we still got quite a stretch to go before we leave. But for now, let me try to see if I could pull my second one out of that weed bed today.
There must be. Oh, here. See? Gone. Look at him.
You got him?
Bass. This is a bass. Oh, he's just a little guy.
You need that? No?
No, I'll just. Vertical. Is that on? Yeah.
Yeah, should be. It's literally first cast.
Oh, you got one?
First cast with the MEPS again. I don't know why I ever take this off.
Loopy loop.
I'll get you just at the tip of your mouth.
Oh, it looks a little nicer than the other one.
Look at all the spots on them.
Yeah, but the color looks. Oh, got one there.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I get so excited every time.
Do you need the net?
No. See what it looks like when it comes in. It doesn't feel. Doesn't want to come in though.
Oh yeah. They hit so slow though.
Yeah.
This lake is infested with those little things. This is a good place to bring your kids.
Yeah.
They would have some fun here.
It's new. I've never been here.
Mm-hmm.
You're right.
Like, yeah, lakes like this aren't for, you're not going to get many trophies. I bet you there is one in here, but you're not going to find it that easily. But for kids, catch a dozen pike in an hour, why not? One I don't want. So.
Oh, I just got one right here. Right, I seen it bite it. It's okay. It's not unless we got a bigger one than we've been catching. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's okay. Good though. Good sign.
That's a decent one.
Classic red and white spoon.
Alright guys, well, we are really close to shore again. There's not like we're that far from the lake anyways, but the rain's come in, so we're gonna get off the lake. We broke a dozen little pike for sure in the last 2 hours, probably an hour and 40 minutes of fishing. I would say, if anything, you bring kids here and let them enjoy it, except risky launch. But his truck killed it, but risky launch. So for this one, it's gonna be it. Short one, good one, whatever. Whatever. All right guys, we are back with another one. For those of you that watched the last episode, it's really 5 minutes later. So we got off that last lake, and according to the Weather Channel, if we drive north for a while, we might be able to bypass some rain. So there's no gas stations, no cell phone service, nothing, just how we like it. We're gonna drive a bit north, hopefully find the lake we're looking for in some sun or not rain, even if it's overcast, and go from there. So let's see where the road takes us, and let's continue our day. Or I mean, let's make an adventure out of today. Yes, that's it. Let's go. Huh. We seem to have found a trailer there. Somebody campsite. What appears to be a better launch than what we went through this morning.
Looks good to me.
Mystery Lake. Alright. Looks like this launch is easy breezy compared to the last one. It is way windier and colder up here. We probably drove for 45 minutes. And the lake goes way down there, but we'll see. Let's get out there. Yeah. Alright, it's about 9 degrees out here and damp. So we've tucked away to a calm side for now. Gonna start casting and trolling up the shorelines and see what we see. Cool. Cool, man. Cool, man. Oh yeah, right away.
Little Walter. Let's just see how big he is. Not a keeper. Small. Let's keep her if you want to keep her. Where'd you catch him out there?
What the heck? Oh, I lost a hook on my maps.
Your gear's falling apart. Good job, man. That's a big walleye today.
Follow, catch me outdoors. See ya. Alright guys, well, it's actually raining on us now. So, where I thought I was going to make 2 videos today, I'm going to stick to one. It's only fair. So, this is the actual outro for the first video. But, came to this lake. We haven't been here long at all. Just don't feel like sitting in the rain in the cold. I think we got a walleye each here.
Couple right at the beginning, yeah.
And the first lake was Pike Central, but good place to bring kids, as we said. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna regroup. I have to buy some things at Crappy Tire, Walmart, get all types of stuff. So we're gonna do that, get all ready, plan our day for tomorrow, and I guess see you on the next adventure.